Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Chapter 4, Right Clothes to Wear. In previous videos, we discussed why do we need clothes, material for clothes, and the clothes we wear according to the climate, tradition, and the depending on the weather. Today, we will learn about shoes and socks and care of clothes. First point, we wear shoes and socks to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, germs, worms. Here in this first point, my printing mistake is there. It should be SOCKS, socks. So to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, germs and worms, we wear shoes and socks. Second point, walking barefoot. Again, it should be B-A-R-E, not beer. B-A-R-E, barefoot can cause cuts. So आप नंगे पाँव चलते हो without wearing anything. If you will walk, then it may cause cuts. And if cuts are there in your feet, then dirt, germs and worm may get into cut and cause an infection. There will be an infection if you will walk barefoot. If you will not wear anything, shoes, या socks, या slippers, या chappals, barefoot, if you will walk, then it may happen that dirt, germs and worm may get into cut, whatever cuts you are having in your that feet, and it will cause an infection. So wear shoes or socks whenever you want to walk. Next point, do not wear wet or dirty socks or tight shoes. If tight shoes if you are wearing, then it will give you problem in walking, and always wear dry socks. Never wear wet socks or dirty socks. Next topic, care of clothes. What care you should take so that your clothes you can keep your clothes for longer period of time. Here are some points we will discuss how you will take care of clothes. First, we must always wear clean clothes to stay healthy. If you want to stay healthy, you should always wear neat and clean clothes and to look smart. After washing, second point, the water should be properly squeezed. पानी पूरा निकाल देना चाहिए out of clothes to help them to dry faster. If you want to dry your clothes faster, then squeeze your clothes properly after washing. But nowadays in each and every house you are having washing machine. So that work is done by machine. We are not doing with our hands. But in earlier times when they were washing their clothes, they have to squeeze their clothes properly. Then only that clothes will dry faster. Otherwise it will take longer period of time to dry your clothes fast. Next point, clothes should be ironed to look neat. Why we should iron our clothes? Clothes should be ironed to look neat and tidy. For that purpose, we iron our clothes. Next, silk and woolen clothes should be washed in gentle soap and can be sent for dry cleaning too. Silk and woolen clothes, they need special care. So silk and woolen clothes, you have to wash them separately. You can't keep it in washing machine. You have to wash it with your hands and that too also with the gentle soap. You can't use very hard soap. And if not possible with the soap, if you don't want to wash, you can wash it with, you can give it for the dry cleaning also. A tear, next point, a tear in dress should be mended in time. Tear means अगर फटे पूरे कपड़े फट गए, then you should mend it with that needle and thread. Remember, here one proverb it is given, a stitch in time saves 9. So, if your clothes are torn, mend it properly in time. Next, patient's clothes must be disinfected with an antiseptic solution. Next topic, storing of clothes. You know that clothes need good care. So, if you will take the proper care of clothes, then it will last longer. Clothes need good care, especially silk and woolen clothes. Why? Because silk and woolen clothes, on that certain insects feed on silk and wool, and it will tear your clothes. So, special care should be taken of silk and woolen clothes. Moreover, once the season is over, these clothes must be kept out in the sun for few hours or dry cleaned. If it is not possible, if you don't want to keep it outside in the sun, then you can give your clothes for dry cleaning also. But it should be taken special care. They should be stored properly. If you want to store that silk and woolen clothes, it should be stored properly. Keep mothballs. Mothballs means naphthalene balls. White color naphthalene balls are coming. You should keep naphthalene balls or mothballs in between that silk and woolen clothes, or dried neem leaves. कड़े नीम के पत्ते हैं वो भी आप डाल सकते हो between the fold of woolen clothes. During that winter season, you wear sweaters and shawls and everything. Once that winter season get over, afterwards you wash that clothes with gentle soap, or you give it for dry cleaning. And after dry cleaning, if you want to store that woolen clothes or silk cloth, you have to keep mothballs or dried neem leaves between the fold of clothes. So it will last longer. This keeps insect away. Dirty clothes can cause the skin disease. Imagine if one dress you wear for 2 days, on third day one different kind of the foul smell will come from your that clothes. So dirty clothes can cause the skin disease, and so many skin diseases will be there in your body because of that dirty clothes. So you should wear clean, neat and tidy clothes. Clean clothes make us look smart and feel comfortable. Students, here I had given you some extra true or false and match the column. That same thing I had given as a worksheet form also. This worksheet in ERP also I will give. You have to write in your science classwork. First one, long ago when people lived in caves, they wore beautiful clothes. True or false? Of course it is false. At the time they were not knowing. Long ago people, when they live in that caves, at the time they cover their body with animal skin, bark of tree, or leaves. Second, clothes are very important for us. Yes, true. They are very important for us. Why we need clothes? You know, they protect us from dust, they protect us from germs, they protect us from insects, they protect us from heat, they protect us from cold, they give us smart look. Third, true or false? We always go to a party in our special clothes. Yes, true. For party, we are having party wear clothes. Fourth, clothes protect our body from dust, heat and cold. True. Fifth one, for going out in the rain, we can wear silk clothes. False. In rainy season, we have to wear raincoats. Yeah, we have to take umbrellas. We can't wear silk clothes. False. Fifth one. Sixth one, cotton and wool are natural fibers. Yes, true. They are the natural fabrics we get from plants and animals. Seventh, white color clothes keep us warm in winter. False. White color clothes keep us warm in. They don't give warmness in winter, but in winter we wear woolen clothes. Eighth one, the kind of clothes people wear depends on the type of weather their place of living has. Where they live, according to the climate, according to the tradition, according to the weather, they wear that type of the clothes. So true it is. Ninth one, wearing wet and dry socks will keep the germs away. Yes, of course, now I think you can give this answer. Wet and dirty socks, it is false. It won't keep your germs away, but you will have that some skin disease. Proper care of clothes make them last longer. Yes, true. If you will take the good care of your clothes, then your clothes will last longer. Match the column A with B. First, in column A, cotton clothes given. From the column B, you have to find out your answer. Your answer will be man-made fabrics. Sorry, cotton clothes you wear in summer. So your answer will be summer. From column B, your answer will be summer. Nylon and rayon. Second, they are man-made fabrics. Nylon and rayon are man-made fabrics. Third, woolen clothes, they need mothballs. Fourth, waterproof material, rainy season. So students, this true or false and match column A with B, you will write in your science classwork. It will be given in your ERP as a worksheet form also. Thank you students. Whenever you watch this video, keep your textbook open. In next class, we will discuss question answer and textual exercise. Thank you students.